Want to fill your home with color and good fortune this Diwali, but feel you're not artistic enough to create a beautiful Rangoli? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you some simple tricks to create a stunning design, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's get creative. Rangoli is a traditional Indian art form, a colorful pattern created on the floor using materials like colored powders, rice or flower petals. It's a symbol of good luck, meant to welcome guests and the goddess Lakshmi into the home during Diwali. You don't need much to start. You'll need some Rangoli powders in your favorite colors. For our easy tricks, you'll also want some simple household items like a bangle, a fork, a sieve, or even a simple cardboard stencil. Let's start with a simple flower. Place a bangle on the floor and use a sieve to gently fill it with a base color for a perfect circle. Remove the bangle. Now, using a pinch of a contrasting color, make a series of dots around your circle. You can use your finger to gently drag each dot inwards to create a petal shape. It's that easy. Another amazing trick uses a fork. Create a simple line or a circle of color. Then gently drag the tines of a fork through the powder to create beautiful peacock-like textures and patterns. Experiment with different directions. You can combine these simple techniques to create a larger, more intricate design. Start with a central circle, add your petals, create textured borders with a fork and build outwards. The final, most important step is to place diyas, or small oil lamps, around your finished Rangoli to light it up and complete the festive welcome. There you have it, a beautiful Rangoli to celebrate Diwali. If you enjoyed this guide, please hit the like button. Subscribe to Another How To Guru for more creative ideas. We wish you a very happy Diwali.